Okay, family. Our big shopping trip begins now.
Good. I have the list. Let's stick to the list.
Daddy, can I ride inside the cart? Please?
If you ride, where will we put the food?
We can put the carrots on her head.
And put the bread in your big mouth, Tom.
Enough, you two. Lina, you're too big now. The cart is for food.
But maybe I can ride inside. I'm tired already.
Dad in the cart. That's too funny.
Ha! Dad in the cart. That's too funny.
Tom, you are the biggest kid here. First stop, vegetables. We need carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce.
Mom, are these good?
Let me see. Yes, but be gentle. Tomatoes are soft.
Look, one big carrot. That's enough for 1 week.
Dad, that carrot is bigger than your nose.
And longer than your arm.
Tom, Lina, don't tease your father. But he's right. It is too big. Put it back.
Look at me. I'm the cucumber king.
And I'm the carrot princess. Attack!
I'm the salad warrior.
Oh no, my family is crazy. Stop the vegetable battle. People are looking at us.
Sorry, Mom, but the cucumber king never loses.
Until the carrot princess wins.
Yes, my favorite place. Chips, cookies, chocolate, everything.
Mommy, can I have cookies? Please? Please, please?
We said one snack each. Only one.
Done. This is mine.
That's not fair. Your bag is bigger than my head.
Bigger snack for a bigger boy.
Then I want 2 small snacks.
No, Lina. One snack. That's the rule.
Maybe one for Dad.
Tom, not you too.
Dad got caught. Dad got caught.
Dad got caught. Dad got caught.
Everyone is against me. Poor Dad.
Here, Daddy, share mine.
Thank you, Lina. You're kinder than your brother.
Hey, I'm kind too. Just hungry.
Next, we need milk and juice.
Can we buy orange juice? I love orange juice.
But apple juice is delicious too.
No way. Grape juice is the best.
We can't buy all the juices. We'll need another cart.
Okay, orange juice this week.
Apple juice next week.
And grape juice the week after. That's teamwork.
What about soda, Mom?
Soda? No. Too much sugar.
But soda makes you burp like a monster.
Tom, you're disgusting.
Excuse me, can we get 2 chicken breasts and some ground beef, please?
Ew, the fish smell funny.
That means they are fresh, Lina.
Look, that fish is staring at me.
Maybe it thinks you're a fish too, Tom.
No way. I don't want to be a fish.
If Tom were a fish, he'd eat all the fish food in one day.
Yes, he'd eat everyone's snacks, too.
Hey, not funny. Well, maybe a little funny.
It smells so good here.
Who wants fresh bread?
Me, and donuts too.
Donuts are not on the list.
Quick, let's hide donuts under the bread.
Tom, I heard that.
Daddy always gets caught.
Yeah, Dad is the worst hider.
No donuts for me.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'll bake cookies at home.
Really? Lina, you're the best.
Hey, what about me? I'll eat the cookies.
That's not helping, Tom.
We also need soap and toothpaste. Mom, this one smells like flowers.
This one smells like sports. Strong and cool.
I can't smell any difference.
That's because your nose is old, Daddy.
Yeah, Dad can only smell pizza.
That's not true. I can smell chocolate. Where is it?
Tom, you're hopeless. We'll take both soaps. Hello. Do you need a bag? Yes. One big bag, please.
Helpers, are you ready? Time to pack the groceries.
I'll do it. I'm very careful.
No, I'm faster. Let me pack.
Careful, both of you. Don't squash the bread.
Oops.
Oops. Tom, you ruined it.
It's not ruined. It's flatbread.
Smart answer, Tom. Flatbread or not, you are in trouble.
That will be $75, please. Tom, pay the bill.
Oh no! Where's my wallet?
Daddy, did you forget again?
Dad, you're worse than me.
Wait, maybe I left it in the car.
Tom, seriously?
Mommy, can I pay with my toy money?
Or with cookies? One cookie equals $1.
Finally, I find wallet in my back pocket.
Aha!
Here it is.
Finally. Dad, you're so forgetful.
Dad, you're so forgetful.
But at least I remembered you all. That's the most important.
Yes, that's true. Did we buy everything now?
Yes, and this time I even paid.
Next time, don't forget, Daddy.
Or let me carry the wallet. I'm more responsible.
No, you'll spend it all on snacks.
True, Better if Mom keeps the wallet.
Finally, someone understands.